Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's March 18th. We got the grain markets down about 5.5 cents in corn, 15 lower for beans, and about 6.25 lower right now for wheat. Not a lot of new news out there concerning the grain markets except for the dollar. The dollar right now is very strong this morning. We have seen a little bit more rain and snow move through the Corn Belt, easing some of this drought concerns. But as I mentioned, the bigger story is in the dollar. Dollar right now is up about 38.5 cents. We've got more European debt concerns. So it's been a long time since we've talked about this. Now all of a sudden we are going to talk about it here again. The country of Cyprus, we've got the Bank of Cyprus right now talking that they're looking at taxing some of their bank deposits in order to try to bail themselves out. They're looking for about 17.5 billion euros as far as a bailout. That's about $22.9 million. This is an issue. If there's one, there's more. Here we are talking about this again. What happened the last time that we've seen this? The dollar started to scream higher. We've seen everything else under pressure. Well, this is what we're seeing again. So more talks of that. Crude oil right now down about 92 cents. But what happens when we start to hear economic concerns? You start to see money getting pushed into more of a safe haven. You've got the dollar up. You've got the metals that are higher. Gold up about $13 to $14. You've got silver that's up a little bit this morning as well. That may be where this safe haven could go, and we may see that start to increase if this talk is going to continue. So it's been a while since we've talked about this. It's back. These are things that we've got to stay in front of and be a little bit concerned with as we move forward. So keep an eye on that. But the dollar right now is strong. It's been strong. If it's going to continue to go up, what happens to commodities? We see them deflate. So we've got to have that kind of concern and look for something like that as well. We've seen a great rally in the grains over the last few weeks. We're starting to take some of that back here today. As I mentioned, corn down just 5.5, beans down about 15, with wheat down about 6. As far as livestock today, maybe looking for a steady, a little bit lower opening as far as cattle. Got to watch cash cattle this week. Okay, wholesale beef has been strong. We've known that. But we've got to watch the cash cattle market. That's what's going to give us a lot of influence here this week. We did see a lower trade last week, and that was disappointing. So let's watch that here this week. Can we get some stronger cash trade? As far as hogs, probably a little bit lower start this morning as well. We've seen a lot of back and forth trade over the last week or so as the cash markets kind of flip-flop. So we're probably going to see that again. But if we do start to see that upturn as far as cash in hogs as well, futures will probably follow that as well. So watch for that this week as far as hogs. So main concern, European problems again. And keep that in mind. Stay in tune with us. Give us a call. We'll let you know what's going on throughout the day. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you have a great day today, and we'll talk to you a little later.